Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a great espresso with your Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio. Adjust the drip tray to the high position. Place your cup. On this capsule, we recommend selecting 2 bars with the selection lever, or adjust to your taste. Lift the locking handle. Place the espresso capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the lever automatically returns to the stop position and the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the power button turns green. Remove the capsule. Tip it into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your espresso with thick, velvety crema. With Nescafe Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.